When faced with structural damage or trying to mitigate future damages to a property, a new roof installation is the best course of action available. When you consider that your new roof's lifespan is estimated to be more than 20 years, the savings you'll see from a new roof installation can quickly add up and turn today's expenditure into tomorrow's cost savings. One of the best ways to increase the value and protect the contents of your home is the construction or installation of a new roof. While the initial expense may seem prohibitive, a residential new roof installation can save you thousands and thousands of dollars over the long term. With an average lifespan of at least 25 years, the sheer amount of stress and worry you could avoid is worth every cent of the projected cost, and you'll be enhancing the appearance and resale value of your home at the same time. Oh, and don't forget, the energy efficiency of new roofing can save you thousands in heating and cooling costs too. So what are you waiting for? Call Urgent Roof Repair today and convert that old costly roof into a new efficient barrier between your property and the elements. We promise to have technicians available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no matter the season, to ensure you're not left in the cold or the rain or the sleet or the hail or whatever else the weather decides to throw at you.